Measuring grain quality. Make sure you are logged into your GrainSense app. Turn on the device. Blue light indicates your phone is connected to the device. Choose grain type. Make a reference measurement. Open the cover. The right amount, 60 to 80 kernels, covers the bottom of your GrainSense spoon. Place the kernels on the sample tray evenly and close the cover. Hold horizontally, the kernels should not move. Make a measurement. Check your result and send it to the app. Empty the sample tray. Store your device in the GrainSense bag. You can always review your results and add notes on your phone.